When you're injured in an accident, one of the first things that comes to your mind, other than getting yourself to a really good medical doctor to help you feel better, is if you're out of work, who's going to pay your wages? Who's going to support your family? Who's going to put bread on the table? And the answer really comes down to it depends upon the type of accident you're involved in. If you're injured in the course of your employment, whether it be a motor vehicle accident or a construction site accident or something that happens on a job site, your wages will be paid in part by workers' compensation. So that is a type of insurance your employer has to reimburse you for your wages and your medical expenses for the time you're out of work because of injuries sustained on the job in the course of your employment. Caveat, warning, workers' compensation in New York State maxes out at a certain amount of money per week based upon your wages. And even if you earn a lot of money, you will not get full compensation for your wages. So sometimes you'll also have to look to New York State short-term disability, which is an additional $170 per week. And hopefully your employer, if you're out of work more than 6 months, has a long-term disability policy. Or if you're a union member, you might have union benefits available to you. On the other hand, if you're injured as a result of a car accident, just a regular car accident between two people not in the course of their employment, your wages will be reimbursed in part by the car insurance, the no-fault benefits on your own car insurance. They will, combined with medical expenses, reimburse you up to a maximum of $50,000. The wage reimbursement rate is only 80% of your earnings, and that also maxes out at $2,000 per month. So if you earn more than $2,000 per month, typically, it's going to be very difficult for you to obtain full compensation or reimbursement for your wages early on in the case. If your loss of wages and medical expenses exceed $50,000, the amount of wages not reimbursed can become a part of your lawsuit, but that's not money that you're going to see for 2 or 3 years down the line. So the initial claim, the initial money to receive to help you along your way is going to come from the no-fault benefits in a car accident or the workers' compensation benefits in a work-related accident.